Look, it's a bit sunny on Mars. A bit too sunny.
Hey up! It's my prototype, my gazebo. I need it.
We need it more, mate. We need UV-protected PVC-coated polyester covers to provide a right good shade from the sun, or we'll all burn. Ideally in red to match the surroundings.
But what about the market traders on Earth? They need good stalls.
They'll have to make do with old frames for a few decades.
I can't let you have it, mate. Gala Tent have got the patent on it.
In that case, you leave me no choice. I'm gonna have to ring me boss.
Hey up, buggerlugs. I'm his boss. You'll listen and obey, alright?
Get stuffed.
I said listen and obey. Listen and obey. Listen and...
Obey.
Look, it's really sunny on Mars and we're sweltering in this sun. We're having your prototype whether you like it or not. Our Sandra's allergic to factor 50 and we need something that can deploy itself instantly because our Terry's no good with FLATPACK instructions.
Right.
Look, you can launch it again in 2005 for Gala Tent so that they've got the UK's strongest pop-up, but not a minute sooner, do you hear me? And don't you come looking for it in 2021, right? Because you're not having it back. It's not an event without Gala Tent.
Right.
Mint. I'm glad we could come to an agreement.
Oh, I spent ages working on that and all, but he's right, it's not an event without Gala Tent.